Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Ryan Ponce. This is another set of macro tutorial, and that is to watch a macro, write your VBA. I have laid out the Excel and the Visual Basic Editor in this way so you could see the codes being written while recording a macro. So let me go ahead and record a macro. I'm gonna name it as test macro, store it in this workbook. Okay, a module has been created. Inside the module is the macro being recorded. So once I select a cell, D4 for example, the code has been written, and that's range D4 that select. If I put a text in D4, let's say my name, then that's the code for it. If I put the date for today, that's the code for it. Now I'm going to select this range, add some colors and borders, increase the font size, so everything is being written in the back end or in the Visual Basic Editor automatically. Now, while recording, you have an option to edit the code, even without ending the recording yet. You can go ahead and edit the codes. So instead of my full name, I'm gonna put my first name only. Instead of today, I'm gonna put now. And let's say, now where's the font size? Here. Instead of 20, I'm gonna make it 40. Stop the recording here or here. I'm gonna delete this column and I'm gonna run the macro. Now, how would I run the macro if I haven't set any shortcut keys? So you can do that by clicking this one. Just make sure that your vertical blinking line is placed anywhere in between the sub and the end sub of your code. So let me go ahead and try. There you go. So this is actually the best way to learn the macro. Once you record the macro, you might as well look at the Visual Basic Editor, make some changes immediately, and be familiarized with the codes being written every time you make or record an action in the Excel. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more macro tutorials.